Equipped with his five senses, man explores the universe around him and calls the adventure science. This is one of my favourite quotes by a man called Edwin Hubble, often called a pioneer of the distant stars. So called due to his discovery of galaxies other than our own and his revolutionary research confirming the existence of the Big Bang. Hi, my name is Priyanka Pal and I'm Head of Science here at Yate Academy. I love that quote because I think it really sums up the wonder of science. It's something we do all the time, over our entire lives, whether we mean to or not, just by exploring the world with our senses. At Yate Academy, our science team believes that fully, and we strive to pass on this passion to the next generation through our teaching. This brings me to GCSE Science. It's an absolute privilege to speak to you today about the process and the opportunities that this can provide to students. So there are two pathways that students can take within science, one being GCSE Combined Science, the other being what we call Triple Science, GCSE Biology, GCSE Chemistry, and GCSE Physics. Now, it's important to note here that regardless of which pathway is taken, all scientific disciplines, so biology, chemistry, and physics, are studied and almost exactly the same topics. The difference is in how many GCSE students will get at the end. So, for example, in Combined Science, students will receive 2 GCSEs, which equates to 1 combined grade, for example, a 9-9, a 9-8, an 8-8, etc. However, with the triple route, students will receive 3 GCSEs, which is why it's called triple, which means that they will receive 3 separate grades. For example, biology grade 9, chemistry grade 9, physics grade 9. So with the triple route, students are essentially studying a third more of each topic, which is what allows it to equate to 1 extra GCSE. So this really is for keen scientists or those who would like to pursue triple to help them achieve certain career goals, for example, medicine, veterinary science, and others. This is a conversation that students can have with their teachers. So the 3 scientific disciplines are subdivided into various topics. In biology, those are the topics that are studied by triple and combined scientists. These are the topics that will be studied in chemistry, again for both pathways. In physics, it's almost exactly the same topics for combined and triple, with the exception of space, which is a triple-only topic. Now, these will be assessed by both students in exactly the same format, which is 6 exams at the end of year 11. So these are subdivided into Biology 1 and Biology 2, Chemistry 1 and Chemistry 2, and Physics 1 and Physics 2. So the topics you saw on the previous slide are divided into 2 exams per scientific discipline. The difference is in how long each assessment is. So for combined, each exam is 1 hour and 15 minutes. For triple, each exam is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Of course, it's longer because they are being assessed on more content. So in terms of next steps, both routes allow students to pursue science in further and higher education. The more traditional route being A-level science, so all science A-levels are offered at the Yate Academy other than physics, which is still available within Cotswold Edge. There are also science vocational courses which are offered both within the school and Cotswold Edge, and it's also worth noting that science can lead to quite lucrative and rewarding careers, such as those that you can see in the image. We're really looking forward to seeing your students through this journey and guiding them towards achieving the best they can in science. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact me. Until then, take care and thank you so much for listening.